In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication for Zoho CRM. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra lock on your account so that even if someone learns your password, they still can't get in. Because Zoho CRM uses your Zoho account for sign-in, turning on 2FA in Zoho accounts will protect your CRM data as well. First, open your browser and go to Zoho Accounts. If you're not already signed in, enter your Zoho credentials and complete any standard sign-in prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on your account dashboard. This is your central hub for personal details, security, and connected services. If you don't immediately see security options, look for a section labeled Security, Sign-in and Security, or Profile and Security. The exact wording may vary slightly, but the settings you need are all in this area. Next, click on Multi-Factor Authentication. This page controls whether 2FA is on or off for your account, and shows the available methods. Think of it as the control center for your second layer of protection. If it's currently off, you'll see options to enable it. If it's on, you can manage methods, change your default, or add backups. Now, set up your preferred authentication method. You'll typically see choices like an Authenticator app, text message codes, email verification, a push-based approval app from Zoho, or a hardware security key. An Authenticator app is a great balance of security and convenience. Choose that option if available, scan the QR code with your app of choice, and then enter the 6-digit code the app generates to confirm. If you prefer text messages, select the SMS option, confirm your phone number, and enter the code that's sent to you. For the highest level of protection, you can register a hardware security key by following the on-screen prompts to insert or tap the key when asked. If Zoho's push-based approvals are offered, installing the recommended app and linking it to your account lets you approve sign-ins with a single tap. As you finish, look for backup codes and store them securely in a password manager or another safe place. These codes can get you back into your account if you lose your phone. It's also a good idea to add a secondary method so you have a fallback. That's it. From now on, when you sign in to Zoho CRM, you'll enter your password first and then verify with the method you just set up. This small change makes a big difference in keeping your customer data safe.